Today, I'm going to tell you how to make a roasted makhana recipe for weight loss. For this, I'm going to take a tawa, place it on the gas stove, and I'm going to add some butter into it. Allow the butter to melt. To this, I'm going to add some salt. I add some hing, some red chili powder, some garam masala, and nicely allow them to blend together. To this, I'm going to add some peanuts, some almonds, some coconut pieces nicely cut into small pieces like you see in the video, and I'm going to nicely allow them to blend with the masala. To this, I'm going to add some Bengal gram, roasted Bengal gram, and some fresh curry leaves, and I allow it to saute well. I'm going to add some cashew nuts to this and allow them to blend well again. Add some kishmish or resins, and I'm going to add some sugar to this. Sugar is completely optional, but it allows to blend the masala well with the ingredients. I add some turmeric. We now add the roasted makhana to this. We should have nicely roasted the makhana prior to adding it here. Now our makhana snack is ready to be had.